Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered exactly which version of Power BI Desktop you're using, maybe for troubleshooting, compatibility, or just staying up to date, today's quick tutorial is going to give you the answer step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to check your Power BI Desktop version so you'll never be left guessing, and you'll always be ready for updates or support. Let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and open up your Power BI Desktop application. If you've never launched it before, look for it in your Start menu. Just type Power BI Desktop and it should pop right up. Wait for the workspace to fully load. Sometimes Power BI takes a moment, especially on the first launch or if you have a lot of visuals and data models waiting. No rush here, just let the app get settled. Now, once you're inside Power BI, we're going to look for something that can feel a little bit hidden if you're new. At the top, you'll see a menu ribbon, much like in Excel or Word. Find the Help tab up there. It's usually towards the right end of the menu, but the exact spot might vary slightly depending on your screen resolution or how you've arranged your workspace. Click on Help. This section is a great resource for all kinds of things, documentation, community forums, and more, so it's actually handy for more than just checking your version. With the Help tab open, look for an option called About. This should be right at the top left of your screen, sometimes as one of the first items in the Help dropdown. Go ahead and click on About. Don't worry if you need to hover and check, it's very normal to take a moment here, and you want to make sure you're clicking the right thing. If you're ever unsure, just look for that word About, that's always the key. As soon as you click About, a new dialog box will pop up. This box contains all sorts of information about your current Power BI Desktop installation. Right there, front and center, you'll see the version number you're running, for example, something like version 210863030. This number might look random, but it's important. If you're ever troubleshooting an issue or you want to make sure you're using the latest features, this number is essential. Maybe you've run into a problem online and someone asks, "Hey, which version do you have?" Now you'll know exactly what to say. And honestly, that's it. No complicated setups, no need to dig through folders or settings, just Help About and you're done. It's as simple as looking up your age on your ID card. You know it's there, you just need to know where to look. If you find that your version seems really out of date compared to what you see online or what colleagues are using, it might be time for a quick update. Keeping Power BI Desktop current helps ensure you get the newest features, the best security, and better compatibility with shared files. So there you have it, you've checked your Power BI Desktop version and you're ready for whatever comes next, whether it's upgrading, troubleshooting, or just learning. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, it really helps the channel. If you have any questions, or if you ran into any hiccups along the way, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.